Hey guys, well here's my next eBay score. This is something that a lot of people won their collection, a few of us have, and this is something I've been wanting and I finally got it. It's one of those green Sears table fans. Of course some of y'all thought it'd be a while till y'all see the videos. Well, guess what? They're here sooner than you expected. And they're coming the same time as the picks. Yes, I won this on eBay. Basically, it's in good condition, however the base has got some character to it. As you can see, it's just a bit yellowed, and if you look right there, that's glue to where that part of the plate's supposed to go. And as you can see, it's missing that part of the control plate. Thankfully, though, the main part of the control plate's still there, which has all the detailing, the numbers for the speeds, and the Sears name. So, and also, you can see a dangling cage clip. Well, 2 out of the 3 of the cage clips are broken. That there, and that there, and here's the one that's still there all together. Thankfully, someone posted a place where I can find cage clips, but I forgot where. So, but anyway, the rest of the way it's all still there, including the famous Atomic SR logo. I can't really make it out, but I was told that's supposed to be an S and an R for Sears and Roebuck. Yes, it kind of looks like a butterfly. You know, people like Duane like to refer to that as the atomic logo. I can't seem to really make out an S and R, but I was told that's what it is. And it's got the fancy green blades that we all know and love. Of course, this is the Lasko version, but and a lot of people, myself included, like this version better for the looks, particularly the piano key buttons. So, well, without further ado, here's hi. Seems to run just like my Galaxy. Well, I didn't think I could hear the whir of the blades quite clearly, but seems I do now. But it's probably still louder on my Galaxy, or more audible on my Galaxy. Here's medium. Now that rattle, of course, are the broken cage clips. But my blue Galaxy still has a bit of a rattle to it too, even though it's still got all its cage clips. Now low. Now we engage the oscillator. Here's low with oscillation. Forgive my sniffing, sinus issues. Now I'll go up to medium with the oscillator on. And now high with oscillation. Okay, now disengage the oscillator. And now spin down. This one also has a pretty long spin down time, just like my Galaxy. In fact, maybe slightly better than that of my Galaxy. And there you have it. My 12-inch green Sears oscillator, which I won from eBay, my third ever eBay win. And not too long after my second, which is my K223 sitting right over there. So, that's my video. Thanks for watching, everybody, and good day to all.